Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the chunks you see in my hair are my aloe vera treatment. I don't know if the video is up before this one, but I did an aloe vera pre-poo that I really liked, and I did a video on it. I decided to do a video on using one brand for a wash day, and this is my first time using this brand, so I have no clue if these products are amazing or if my hair will agree with them, but I'm doing it anyway. So I have Tailored Beauty's Moisturizing Coconut Cream Shampoo. It's sulfate free. The claims is that it moisturizes and clarifies without leaving your hair dry, brittle, or stripped. And Tailored Beauty's Moisture Penetrating Deep Conditioner Treatment. See if these two work well for me. My hair is wet already, but I'm about to shampoo it, and I'll try to show y'all the process. I don't know if it's gonna work. I like to apply the deep conditioner while my hair is soaking wet, but I'm going to apply it in sections because I really need a good deep conditioning, and I want to make sure I get all of my sections. The shampoo smells just like coconut. I will say the scent is like a stronger scent, but it's not a strong scent that stays. So it's like you smell it on the product, and you will probably smell it while you're washing your hair, but after that, like after you rinse it out, after I rinsed it out, I didn't smell it anymore. So that's a really good thing, because sometimes scents can become overwhelming when you're putting so many products on your hair and everything has a fragrance. So I really like that once I wash it out, I don't really smell it as like that, like strong. Applying it to my hair lathered up very well, and I like when stuff lathers because you can tell where it is without having a mirror, and I don't have a mirror when I wash my hair, so it's like I have to go by touch. So I really love that it lathered up well. I still have aloe vera chunks in my hair. No, my hair felt very, they're literally what they say on the packaging is completely correct, because my hair feels clean, but it doesn't feel stripped, and it also kind of feels like moisturized. Even before, of course, I started putting on the deep conditioner, my hair felt kind of moisturized. So yeah, I really like that shampoo. I do. I didn't know if I would like it because I've never tried this brand's products before, but I really like that shampoo. Definitely something I will go to again to wash my hair. The conditioner consistency is very thick. It reminds me of how lotion feels. And I just put a lot on this section. I didn't even need that much for this section. Okay. It's like clumping my hair up. Wow. I'm gonna get another section and see how it do, because I put a lot on this section, and once I applied it, I realized it was way too much. So I'm gonna add some hair to see if that'll help. But it's really clumping together. Yeah, a little goes a long way with this product for sure, because I did not put a lot on that second section, and I have more than enough still because I mixed it with the bottom section that had too much. So yeah, a little goes a long way. This smells really good. This one actually, it kind of has more of a fresh scent to it, and you can see it's like really clumping my hair together. That's really nice. Probably not as much as it could because my hair is not detangled, but I love that. Yes. I can't believe I've never tried these products before. This conditioner has the right amount of slip and nutrients to reduce breakage, restore damaged strands, and aid in length retention. And I need all of those things because how many times can I say postpartum shit in one video? It does have slip. That is actual factual. It took forever to detangle my hair, y'all. My hair was so freaking tangled, like that was frustrating. It literally took me an hour to detangle my hair. My first impressions about this product, and I really love the packaging, so that's like A1. I really love that this is gold and the label complements the container, so I really love the packaging. I really love the smell. The smell, I think I told y'all, is like more of a fresh smell. Doesn't really smell like coconut like the shampoo that I had. And what else? I really love the slip. I also really love, I let it sit on my hair for a while, and it really helped with my tangles. So I don't know how long I let it sit on my hair, honestly, because I started doing other stuff, and then I had to I put it on my hair, and then I went back through and I detangled it. So it was sitting on my hair for quite a while, and it's still clearly on my hair. I'm about to rinse it out and see how my hair feels afterwards. Sorry, I feel like I'm talking fast. I feel like it worked really, really well on my hair as far as with that slip. I don't know how to explain that enough because my hair was extremely tangled. Like I said, it took me an hour to untangle my hair, and it doesn't usually take me that long. It probably took me more than an hour to get it untangled, but yeah, and that was like really frustrating. And this product really helped because it softened my hair and created that slip, so I was able to get the knots out a little bit quicker than I would have had I used something that didn't work well on my hair. So I do like this product. I'm gonna keep using it just to see if I like it even more. And like I said, I do like the shampoo, but I definitely recommend the shampoo. The deep conditioner, I'm gonna keep trying. I'm about to rinse this out right now. Let's do this. Hair feels really nice. It feels moisturized. It feels really good. I'm still gonna keep trying it, still gonna keep using it, but right now, first impressions, of course, my hair feels moisturized. I'm gonna keep trying it. I can't give that one like a recommendation like I gave the shampoo because I just really fell in love with that shampoo. I really love that shampoo. This is good, but I don't know if it's great just yet. But until the next video, please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see from me. Until the next video, I hope you have a good morning, a good evening, a good night whenever you are watching this. I will catch you next time. Bye.